So, hi everyone, I hope that you all are doing well. In this video, I will be sharing the update regarding Aai ATC next recruitment. I have made a previous video, and that video was in Hindi language, and I saw such comments on the video. And I understand that there is 70% audience on my channel is uh, they understand the Hindi language, and the 30% audience is from South India and they do not understand the Hindi language. So I have decided that I will be making English content as well on this channel. In the previous video I shared the information, and a lot of people were commenting, so this video is for you all. The update was that from the multiple sources, it has been confirmed by me that the next recruitment will be coming in the December month. You can see the notification in the December month, so you have roughly 30 days from now to see the recruitment, and it will be take 2.5 months to conduct the exam by Airport Authority of India. So you have a roughly 3 month. Now you must start preparing. Okay, so for example, you were someone who stopped the preparation because of some XYZ reason. Now all you need to do is start your preparation as soon as possible. So for example, you have not completed the syllabus, you can do it from now on. And all you need to do is that you need to enroll in any batch, because in 3 months you will not be able to complete the syllabus without proper guidance. So you can enroll in any batch, or you can uh, if you have already enrolled, complete the syllabus, start giving mock will be the deciding factor for you all. So if you have completed the syllabus, completely go on mock. Okay, so for example, if you understand 20% English, sorry, Hindi, so you can enroll in my batch as well. It's very affordable. And if you do not understand, like you are at a 0%, you will not be able to understand the Hindi language, so don't enroll. Okay, now, one update is that I will be starting a next batch for the English medium people. And the reason is that I will be starting it after some time. I will be only covering maths, and I will be giving you all the study material related to batch 2.0, which I have given in the batch 2.0. And batch 2.0 is a Hindi plus English batch. So if you understand 20% Hindi, you can enroll. But if you can wait, I will be starting a next batch only for maths. But I will be giving you all the content that I have made specially in batch 2.0, and that is very, 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 very beneficial for you all. Okay. So a lot of people were messaging me, so that this is the update for the next batch. And there is a Telegram channel which you can join. Link is given in the description. I will be sharing some update and the content in the English language in this channel, so you will be able to prepare. And let me tell you one more thing, that I will not be opening the ad. Okay, so that you can watch those videos without any ad. Okay, so I will be not making any money from that videos, because I personally feel that it's very important that when you are watching a video, it is very important that when you are studying especially, you do not get distracted from that. Okay, so for that I will be disabling the ads on all those videos that will be coming on this channel. So you need to subscribe this the channel and press the bell icon, and you can also join the Telegram link that is given in the description. And you can comment down that what is your problem, where you are stuck. There is a form also given, so you can ask your personal problems. I conduct Sunday Samvad, in which I talk about the problems. That is in Hindi, by the way, so I will be conducting in English language as well. So please mention that this is the problem, please talk about it in English language, so I will be try to solve your problem. Okay, so I hope that now you it's clear that you got the update. So just in case you have no doubt, you can ask me in the comment section as well, and please join the Telegram channel. So till then, take care, bye bye.